Hello everyone, this is Nicole, your mobile bloggist for TOCtown.com. Thanks so much for coming back to my channel. And I'm actually doing a test now of the poser mic, which I don't have it in the mic socket of the cell phone. I wanted you to see, or actually hear, what the difference is when you have it plugged and when you don't have it plugged. So now, after this point, I'm going to have it plugged in. Now the mic is about 2 feet away from my mouth, so I'm in a comfortable position, and I'm looking to start my podcast on travel around and about the urban areas as well as the Chicagoland to let you know tips, tools, and event planner techniques. So of course I had to up my audio and pick up another mic, and I decided to test a poser mic. I'm liking the quality of it, but I'm not loving it. Now, mind you, I've been listening to a lot of techies on YouTube and realized a lot of them not only record their sound, but they also boost it later in their studios. Well, I don't have the finances for that at this moment, but what I'm going to do is try and pick up another mic and see if the quality can't be improved that way. So stay tuned for that. I have that coming up next.
Mind you, I had to do a separate audio file and have it converted from the one on the phone into the one that you heard online. Mind you, I've used that microphone, the poser, before to do planner videos, and it didn't have that echo sound. So that goes to show you that sometimes when you hear it, right after you've recorded your segment, you might have to do some more work to, improve the audio. So my next piece I want to share with you as far as a techie upgrade is I'm using my Kindle Fire right now to record this unboxing of the Odium headset, which is a sportswear. So, of course, I'm a non-techie, and it's not that I've never tried this before. I think most I've tried is like Logitech or some other off-brand I can't even remember. But it was a pleasant surprise to see that even for the price point that I paid, it came with such a cute case and a little handle on it. Plus, it's like a hard texture to it, so it's not flimsy. And let me open it up for you to show you what came with the set. Trying to do this one-handed here. Okay, so those are the actual headsets that I'm going to be using, hopefully while I'm recording on my Kindle. I'll have a test, of course, not at this point, of the actual Kindle mic, and then the headset that I'm pulling out now. Those are extra earplugs that were included. And there's actually a netting right underneath the extra earplugs. I don't know if you can see it in this shot. But I actually tucked in my poser mic, so when I take my cell phone with me, I can actually take the headsets in addition to that. So more testing to be done, more equipment to be, upgraded. So thanks so much for stopping by my channel. I'm Nicole, your mobile bloggist for TOCtown.com. If you have any questions or just like the fact that I'm doing this creative content for my channel, be sure to like, leave a comment, and of course, subscribe. I'll be back next Tuesday with another update.